4 boys in this bitch. 100 fam, nigga. RP my nigga Nate. Free Leondo, nigga.
And the last born.
This is more than music, the air in my lungs, the beat from the drums, so it's show being done. I got a vision of getting money, my place wishes. I got a vision of getting money, my place wishes. I'm from Detroit. I'm from Detroit. I'm from Detroit. I'm from Detroit. This time's for the money, let's not play games. Ayy, I'm in the building, camcorder the stage, cause you might miss this event. The flows of a champion, 100, so let me vent. If I don't do nothing, I'm a ball. I never trust the cops, so a dirty ass broad. I'm leaning in the coupe with my hand on the wheel, and my swagger's intact with an 88 feel. I'm counting on the stack, but I'm plotting on the mill. If I talk to the king, then you know how I feel. Bitches on the 10, but a nigga need 100. Dope game crazy, but a nigga need money. Money. What up? I'm from Detroit, Motor City, stand up. Stand up. I'm from Detroit, Motor City, stand up. You can tell by the look on my face, by the thing on my waist, by the way that I talk, or the shit that I say. I'm getting tired of these fake ass niggas. I'm getting tired of these fake ass niggas. When it comes to the real shit, if you ain't 100, then you counterfeit.
Money, dog, since a little guy, big money, outfits stay fly. Have you ever had some rims with your name in it, custom made stand in your car to put your chain in it, and you sitting in the Benz getting brain in it, straight to the club, you bout to blow a couple stacks in it, everybody around you because the money you spending, I bet a whole bar and everybody sipping, and when I'm in the club, I'm the only one tipping. My name ain't Scotty, but I'm the only one pimping. I bars out in the club, you should see how I'm living. It's the money I'm getting, but you know how I get it. I'm only balling in the game cause they put me in it, and they forcing me to spend the money, so I'ma spend it. I do what I want, I say what I say. I'm from Detroit, you can tell from on the look I don't play.
What up? I'm from Detroit, Motor City, stand up. Stand up. I'm from Detroit, Motor City, stand up. You can tell by the look on my face, by the thing on my waist, by the way that I talk, or the shit that I say. I'm getting tired of these fake ass niggas. I'm getting tired of these fake ass niggas. When it comes to the real shit, if you ain't 100, then you counterfeit. Swagger check, pistol check, wardrobe check, block go check. I studied the chess moves, let's put them in check. If I didn't feel it before, I'm seeing respect. My aim never bad, just my target was wrong. If I can't close a deal, then I'm making my own. Thinking slick on 100, then we bustin' your dome. Home is where the heart is and the cities are grown. We some young niggas, but our money grind is grown. We gon' keep getting eyes till our time is gone. We don't fuck with the rats and we talk about niggas. Get your box picked out and it fill with our figures. If we got it, then it's gone. If it's gone, then we giving it. Every ball we spit, freestyle or written it. Conversary kinda slow, fan running low. Don't worry, 4 boys gon' feel it from the flow.